Okay, let's cook spinach and pea shoot. Now, I am going to boil these two just like lamb's quarter, and I will show you a few seasoning options for these greens. Okay, here is spinach. Rolling boiling water. I already washed the spinach, by the way. Put everything in here. And because this is very new spinach, probably we just need to boil it for a few minutes. I will time it and let you know. It's been 3 to 4 minutes now. I am going to drain this and cool it with cold water. I grounded some sesame here on the spinach, and let's try some. Dip it in. Pretty good. We can do is lemon juice. Put some salt on. Lemon juice on. This is also good. I like to eat these different ways, but simple ways, so that we can taste the green itself and compare. So I will do the same thing with pea shoot. Okay, pea shoot. Looks like this. I boiled about 5 minutes, and it is the softness I like, a little bit still crunchy. So I am going to drain it and cool it with water again. Alright, here's pea shoot. I am going to again put some ground sesame on. This is my cool sesame grinder I like. There, and let's try with ponzu. Pea shoot, though we boiled it a little bit longer than new spinach, it's still crunchier, but it has nice green taste. I like it. Let's try with the lemon and salt. It is also good with just lemon and salt.